Hey everyone, welcome back to Baking with Aubs, and today I have a special guest, my brother Christian, and today we are doing the 12 Cookies of Christmas day, Five. And he came home to surprise us for Thanksgiving, and today we are going to be making mini cheesecake bites, and I am so excited for this because this is basically going to be our dessert for Thanksgiving dinner. And happy Thanksgiving, by the way. So let's make some cheesecake. Okay, so before we start anything, preheat your oven to
350. And we know these aren't quite cookies, but they're bite size, so we're gonna call them cookies for today.
So all you will need is graham crackers, vanilla, cream cheese, pie filling or preserves. And we are doing raspberry, and he's doing cherry.
You need sugar, 2 eggs, some butter, and of course, mini baking cups.
And a cute apron.
Or a Deadpool apron.
Okay, so we are going to line our mini cupcake pan with these mini baking cups. Okay, so the next step is you need 1 full cup of graham crackers, and we are going to crush those up and throw them in our blender, and then blend those up until they're nice and crummy. Then blend it up. So what we're doing here is we are going to make the crust for our cheesecakes. We are going to need our graham crackers, 1 cup of graham crackers, and then
1/4 cup of melted butter.
And then 1/8 cup of white sugar. And then we are going to mix it up just until it's combined. Okay, so you're going to take your pan and fill the cups with 1 teaspoon of your mixture, and then we are going to push it down with a shot glass, and it's best to use that.
Best to use an Abraham Lincoln CVN 72, straight from the ship. Perfect.
Okay, so these are all pushed down, and we are going to put that on the side and grab our 2 bricks of cream cheese, also known as 16 ounces, and then 2 eggs,
A teaspoon of vanilla, and 1/2 cup of sugar.
and then you're going to take your electric mixer and mix this. Looks like Mom has been teaching us.
Mom taught me way before you learned. So now that our cheesecake filling is done,
We are going to take just like a teaspoon of our cheesecake filling, and then we are going to pour it on top of this. That needs a little more. And then
don't fill it all the way because we need to leave space for the topping.
in the oven they go for 14 minutes at 350.
And then, once they're done, you're going to take them out and either put them in your fridge or on your back patio to cool down.
Okay, so they are out of the oven and looking perfect. These are how they're supposed to look, and we are going to put them on our back porch to cool for at least an hour, and then we can eat one.
I say we just eat them right now.
Patience, Christian. Didn't you learn patience in the Navy?
Good point.
Okay, so they are all set and ready. So we are going to take our raspberry and
Cherry.
preserves, and we are just going to put a little dollop of this stuff on, and then we get to eat them. This is easy. Oh, yes. Okay, so we finally get to eat them, and the filling is finally on, so let's try one. Raspberry first?
Sure.
Can't get it off.
That's good.
That's really good.
Cheesecake is super flavorful.
Mm-hmm.
You get the nice little graham cracker taste right after.
Yep.
And the filling just tops it off, so it's just it's on point.
Sorry, I'm chewing again. Okay, now let's try the
Now for the cherry one.
cherry.
We can get the wrapper off. This one looks really good too.
Mm-hmm.
Perfectly set apart. Enough filling to cookie crumb ratio.
And the bottom is really like chewy.
Mm-hmm.
So that's good.
That's good. Can't wait to have more.
So since it's Thanksgiving, we're going to say one thing that we are thankful for. So I am thankful for you coming home and my wonderful family.
I am thankful for my wonderful family and being given the opportunity to come home and see my wonderful family for the holidays.
Okay, so we are going to enjoy Thanksgiving dinner now. Well, even though it's maybe lunchtime. So we'll see you next time on Baking with Aubs. Bye.
Bye.
Happy
Thanksgiving.
Thanksgiving. So what are you going to be thankful for?
You're gonna have to wait and see.
You know what the secret is? Love.
Aubs, what are you eating?
Googled it.
You gonna do a video on that?
No, it's a family secret.